Super powerful, yet very simple. This indicator has the potential to significantly enhance your trading approach. Let me demonstrate how effective it can be for both trend-following strategies and trading reversals. The price volume trend or PVT indicator is a powerful tool for technical analysis that builds upon the concept of on-balance volume. While both indicators accumulate volume, PVT takes a more nuanced approach by considering the magnitude of price changes. Many analysts believe PVT offers a more accurate picture of market conditions compared to OBV because it factors in price adjustments rather than just total volume. PVT doesn't just tell you how busy the market is, but also how much impact that activity is having on the price. Traders use this indicator for two main purposes: to check if a trend has real momentum behind it, and to spot potential turning points when the price movement doesn't match the PVT's message. It is a useful tool for gauging buying and selling pressure, with many analysts considering it effective for predicting price changes. Divergences in PVT are important signals to watch for potential trend reversals. In essence, it combines the how much of volume with the how far of price changes, providing a more comprehensive view of market dynamics. The PVT helps to spot trading ranges very easily. While the price action can be somewhat messy, the PVT often isn't reacting to it as strongly. This not only helps us identify the range, but also use it to our advantage to find potential breakout opportunities. In this instance, while the price is in the range, we also see a bearish divergence when the price makes a higher high, but the PVT creates a lower high, showing that it might potentially reverse. Switching to a line chart can help us see these patterns more clearly. You can also notice that price struggles to get much further past previous high, indicating weakening momentum. So we connect the recent peaks on the PVT and wait for it to break either of these lines. If you prefer a more aggressive approach, you can enter once the PVT breaks through the line. Alternatively, for a more conservative entry, you can wait for a retest and rejection of the broken line, as often seen in these situations. However, sometimes the PVT as well as the price will keep going without retesting these levels. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see this indicator to be combined with any other to see how it performs. Here's how we can use the PVT to our advantage once the price has broken out from the range and is trending. In this example, we have a bullish reversal with the same break and retest pattern. Let's say you missed the breakout and didn't enter on the retest. Now you're looking for an opportunity to enter the trade. In this case, draw a line where the PVT created its last high and wait for it to break. Again, it's up to you whether you enter when the line is broken or wait for a retest. Alternatively, instead of marking the last high, you can try connecting the peaks of the PVT with a trend line. While this method can potentially give you better, earlier entries, it requires more attention and can be subjective due to how exactly you'll draw that line. To filter out poor entries, we can use a trend line over the price chart. We should only take trades when the price is close to this trend line and avoid those where the price has already moved away from it significantly. Don't like this video, don't comment, and definitely don't subscribe, but watch our latest TradingView strategy review that combines trend and strength indicators.